Use silica and potassium soil amendments to strengthen plants so they resist pests before problems start. Apply a silica-based amendment at planting and again during active growth, using horticultural silica or biogenic silica at manufacturer rates adapted for your soil texture. Silica deposits in cell walls increase rigidity and make chewing and piercing by insects more difficult. Test your soil and correct potassium and micronutrient levels rather than guessing, because potassium regulates water movement and stomatal function, which affects drought, stress, and pest susceptibility. Follow a lab report to calculate application rates and split applications to avoid salt stress. Incorporate soluble forms where quick uptake is needed and use rock-based or slow-release sources for long-term balance. And always adjust pH to the optimal range for your crop so nutrients remain available. Avoid blanket high nitrogen applications because excess nitrogen promotes soft tissue that invites pests and disease. Match nitrogen to the crop growth stage and use split or controlled release fertilizers. Complement amendments with good cultural practices like crop rotation, pruning for airflow, balanced irrigation to prevent water stress, mulches to stabilize soil temperature, and regular scouting to catch pest increases early. When applying amendments as foliar complements, only use labeled products and low rates so you do not burn tissue. And record dates and rates so you can correlate plant response to specific changes over time. 3 common mistakes crop managers make are over-applying nitrogen, which creates succulent growth that attracts pests, applying potassium or silica without a soil test that can lead to imbalance, and treating amendments as a cure rather than part of an integrated program. If you over-apply nitrogen, reduce next applications and use cover crops or organic matter to immobilize excess nitrogen and restore balance. If you add potassium or silica blind, stop and collect a soil test, then follow the lab recommendations and apply amendments in splits to avoid salt or cation imbalances. If you expect amendments alone to fix pest outbreaks, integrate cultural controls, biologicals, and monitoring, and use amendments as preventative resilience building rather than emergency treatment. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find projects that match their skills and availability. We also host a discussion community where our members share real-world experience about soil testing, amendment sources, application timing, and monitoring so you can learn practical tips from people doing the work.